So what you can also do is you can go ahead and export out your video to be Facebook specific as well. So for that, you need to simply select S.264 format, which is the standard videos for video format for Facebook. Then you can go to preset right here, and here you can see that there's Facebook 720p or 4K version as well. You can go ahead and choose the one you want right here. So as you go around over here, you can see that if I were to go to the export settings under video, you will be able to see all of the content right here, just like this, which is Facebook standard right here. You can increase the quality as you want as well, but this is actually perfect already for Facebook right here. So this is what you have, and if I were to go ahead and convert it, then your video is Facebook ready and is Facebook specific. So I hope you guys learn something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.